So this is US dollar CAD analysis for Thursday, 16th of November. Now let's have a look what happened with prices on the 15th, was it? Yes, let's have a look what happened with prices on the 15th of November. So, sorry, let's just grab the pen here. So on the 15th, which was there, we did see a pullback, and we didn't get as low as this 127 level. Now, so if we have our lows there, we've had this, we've had a higher low there. We've had a pullback, not quite down to these lows. So again, it's another higher low again, which is a very bullish sign. Even though we're in a downtrend, it's another bullish sign to see a series of higher lows. Now we've got a series of higher lows in the market, and yes, we've pretty much negated this swing high up here. We've got a retest of the 1270, well, sorry, not 12. Not 1278, but at 127.78. So in around that 27.78, we have seen a bit of a pullback from this 12.78, which is a strong level identified for a couple of weeks now. So we have seen a bit of a pullback. On the positive side, however, for potential upside momentum, we have seen price. These candles here are pretty small, and we do seem to have had a counter trend candles. We've now had very strong candles heading towards the lows. They are most recent swing lows, or all the way down to 127. So these small candles and bullish candles coming into the market suggest that this is potentially a bull flag. So us having this consolidation and potential bull flag just below the level would suggest that we're likely to break out to the upside. Now, if we do break out to the upside, where would our targets be? We're possibly looking at our most immediate target would possibly be around at 128.20, in around these previous highs, but we did see some selling momentum coming to the market. We'll see our price direction around at 128.20. Now, above that, we'll be looking for the next major levels. That we're looking at the charts. So we're just going to zoom out a little bit here. Next major level we'll be looking at the charts would possibly be, we may not see much of a reaction around at 128.20. So the very next levels that we'll be looking at on our chart is all the way in around this 129. Around 129, we did see some sell side momentum coming to the market. I'm going to have a look at the daily chart just to highlight the reason 129. But 129 to the upside, we would expect to be the far end of the range if we do successfully navigate 127.78 and 128.20. Now, if we do see a breakdown in prices, we possibly have the 200 period moving average just here in blue, possibly acting as support for another retest of the 127.78. If we do break below that, we'll be looking for our most recent swing lows. Well, not the most recent, most of the swing lows, we're possibly looking at a 127 level for a potential buy side momentum come back in the market, below which we're looking at where we had this consolidation just over here on the left of the chart in around a 126.68, so 126.70 essentially, where we've had a consolidation before the bullish move to the upside. At a constant way, price gain up to 126.22, so I would not mention it as it doesn't come into focus. So let's just have a quick look at the reason I've mentioned 129. So I'm just going to clear up this chart a bit, and I'm just going to go over to the daily chart. And let's get the scale on here correct. So 129, and we're just going to grab a pen. As can be seen here, we've got several weeks from these candles just there off that 129, where price did try to break above this 129, and it wasn't able to just there, and instead we saw some sell side momentum come into the market. So if we do go up there, we're looking for potentially down for the top for more sell side momentum coming to the market. So that should wrap up the US dollar CAD analysis for the Thursday, 16th of November. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.